this morning, the last thing I thought I'd be thinking about would be you. I opened up the blinds and saw your hair tie on my windowsill. Not gonna lie, haven't talked to you in a while. What if I just hit you up? Would it still feel the same? What if I hit you up? Summer's coming your way. My baby is always late, a day early to the party, but that's okay. She's on my bed playing video games. I'm watching her over my shoulder, still lying you wide awake. She rolls over and steals all of the sheets. She don't care, she won't lose no sleep. Now can you just move over? I can't really understand, but god damn, I can't get enough. You got me saying stupid shit like love. You got me wrapped up on my insides. You got me yeah. I never know what you're trying to say. Just not along when you get too excited. You're falling all over yourself again. It's even funnier when you're sober. I can't really understand, but god damn, I can't get enough. You got me saying stupid shit like love. You got me wrapped up on my insides. You got me don't know what you do, didn't know that you could do that. It's you. I try to be cool and you say we shouldn't do that.